Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making cornbread dressing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 4 cups of cornbread, 4 cups of French bread, 1/2 pound of sweet Italian sausage, 1/2 pound of spicy Italian sausage, 2 stalks of celery, 1 white onion, 1 tablespoon of fresh sage, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Slice your cornbread and your French bread into cubes. Place them on a cookie sheet, then transfer to your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove them from the oven and set them aside. Using medium heat, bring a large frying pan to temperature. Add the olive oil, then cook your sausage for 5 minutes. Now add the celery and onions. Season with the sage, thyme, salt, and pepper, and continue cooking until your vegetables are just translucent. Remove your pan from the heat, then allow the sausage to sit for 10 minutes. To a large bowl, add the sausage, bread, and cornbread. Now add the chicken broth and eggs and mix well. Now transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove it from the oven and now it is ready to serve. If you're looking for a cornbread dressing that everyone will love, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.